Hello everyone, my name is Anandila Narolia. I am Assistant Professor of Technocrat Institute of Pharmacy, Bhopal. Today we are discuss about the topic benzene and its derivative. What is benzene? Benzene is a aromatic compound. There is a formula C6H6. Benzene is a colorless, flammable solvent. Different type of the derivative of benzene. Derivative of benzene. There are three types of derivative benzene: monosubstituted benzene, disubstituted benzene, and polysubstituted benzene. Monosubstituted benzene, when we are one hydrogen atom is replaced by one group in benzene, it's called the monosubstituted benzene. For examples, toluene, aniline, benzoic acid, chlorobenzene, nitrobenzene, and phenol, benzaldehyde, and many more compounds we are formatted through the benzene. It's called the monosubstituted benzene. नेक्स्ट आता है अपना डेरिवेटिव ऑफ बेंजीन. इसके अकॉर्डिंग टू हम देखते हैं डाइसब्स्टिट्यूटेड बेंजीन. Disubstituted benzene, when we are removal of two hydrogen atoms replaces by two groups. For example के लिए 1,2 dibromobenzene, 1,3 dibromobenzene, and 1,4 dibromobenzene. Next, polysubstituted benzene. Polysubstituted benzene, here two are more than the two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two or more groups, then it's called the polysubstituted benzene. For example के लिए 2 bromo 4 chloro 1 nitrobenzene and 4 bromo 1 chloro 2 nitrobenzene and 1 bromo 4 chloro 2 nitrobenzene. It is examples of polysubstituted benzene. Next, स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में जान लेते हैं. बेंजीन्स आर अवेलेबल इन 3 स्ट्रक्चर. बेंजीन हमें 3 स्ट्रक्चर्स में अवेलेबल होता है. डेट इज द केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बेंजीन, केकुले स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ बेंजीन, एंड resonance structures of benzene. So firstly we are discuss about the chemical structure of benzene. In this structure we are show the double bond and single bond which are connected carbon carbon, and one hydrogen atom is attached to each carbon. So it is called the chemical structures of benzene. This structure show the also resonance in these structures. नेक्स्ट आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर अपनी है केकुले स्ट्रक्चर्स. व्हाट इज केकुले? टू केकुले इज द साइंटिस्ट that is the discover these structures, the Kekule structures. This structure is given by the Friedrich Kekule in 1865. According to him, benzene is the cyclic structure which have the 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen atoms present in the structures. Show that the structure show Kekule structure. In the structures, double bond and single bond attached to the carbon carbon, and hydrogen atom is attached in each carbon. Next structure, resonance structure. Resonance structure, that is the of benzene. In these structures, due to the resonance of pi electrons is dislocated or change its position. In these structures, pi bond is delocalized in benzene rings, which display delocalize our positions in these structures. We can show the resonance in these structures of benzene. Next, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule is shown in this slide. Huckel's is the criteria which show the aromaticity of benzene. कोई भी कंपाउंड्स एरोमेटिक है इसका पता हम लगा सकते हैं ड्यू टू दी Huckel's rules. ठीक है, द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ Huckel's rule. If any compound is the aromatic, we can show and determine through the Huckel's rules the satisfied characters of Huckel's rules. That is it should be cyclic, it should be planar, it should be conjugated or resonance. These conditions of resonance compound where we are show if any aromatic compound show the one benzene rings, that is the found only 3 pi bond. 3 pi bonds are 3 pi electrons, and that if the aromatic structures, that is the 2 rings in this structure show the 10 pi electron, and if any structure show the 3 rings, we can show the 14 pi electron, that is the show in these structures. This structure is the benzene structure. In these structures, that is the 1 benzene rings, that is the show 6 pi electrons, and next structures of naphthalene we can show that is the 2 benzene structures, n structures, that is the 10 pi electron, and next is the phenanthrene. It is a 3 cyclic compounds of phenanthrene. In this show the 14 pi electrons in these structures. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ बेंजीन. बेंजीन की फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? दैट इज द बेंजीन इज ए कलरलेस एंड हाई बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज द 80.1 degree centigrade, and that is the melting point is the 5.5 degree centigrade. Benzene is a insoluble in water and it is a soluble in organic solvent. For example के लिए alcohol, chloroform and petroleum ether it's are. Benzene it's the good solvent for many organic and inorganic substance. Benzene had the highly toxic and inhalation. Next, chemical property of benzene. The following chemical property of benzene, it indicated show the chemical reaction of benzene. That is the 3 types of chemical reaction shown in the benzene. That is the electrophilic substitution reaction, second addition reaction, third oxidation reaction. First we are discuss about the electrophilic substitution reaction. It given the 5 structures. That is the halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. We are discuss detail in halogenation. Halogenation. In this reaction, benzene is react with the chlorine and or bromine in presence of aluminum chloride at the room temperature. Due to this reaction which formed the chlorobenzene. Show this structure. The benzene is react with the chlorine or bromine in presence of aluminum chloride or at the temperature of room temperature to form the chlorobenzene. ठीक है? Next reaction is the nitration. In this reaction, the benzene react with the concentrated sulfuric acid in presence of concentrated nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid at the temperature of 60 degree centigrade. Sulfonation. Next reaction is the sulfonation. In this reaction, benzene is react with the sulfuric acid in presence of fumigation of sulfuric acid. It formed the benzene sulfuric acid. Due to the process, we have formation of benzene sulfonic acid. Next reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In this reaction, benzene is react with the alkyl halide in presence of aluminum chloride to form the alkyl benzene. Next reaction is addition reaction. Addition reaction. The addition reaction is a chemical reaction where atom or group of atom are added to a molecule. In this reaction, the addition is a chemical reaction where atom or group is added to the molecules. Addition reaction are the two types: additions of hydrogen and addition of halogens. Addition of hydrogen. In this reaction, toluene is react with the hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst at the 150 degree centigrade temperature to yield methyl chlorohexane. Show in the structures according to their reaction. Next, halogenation. Additions of halogenation. Benzene is react with the chloride, chlorine and bromine in presence of ultraviolet ray. The addition of halogen, the benzene is react with the chlorine or bromine in ultraviolet rays to formation of benzene hexachloride. Next, uses of benzene. Different type of the use of benzene. Ready to show. Benzene is used as a chemicals to make plastic, resin, synthetic rubber, lubricants, dye and detergent. Thank you. थोड़ा जल्दी कर दिया आपने.